Well, hello there. Dave here from Out of This World Home Services. Valentine's Day is fast approaching, and you may be wondering what to get that special someone in your life. Well, you're in luck. Out of This World is here with all your V-Day gifting needs. Here are a few ideas that will have your partner saying, "Oh yeah." You may think there's nothing sexy about plumbing, but have you heard of a toilet that cleans itself? Show your loved one you care with the ActiClean toilet by American Standard. Choose from a quick or deep clean cycle, whatever you like. And your toilet will be fresh as a daisy at the press of a button. In addition to its ever-clean surface and clean curved rim, it's also Smart Sense certified. I don't know what that means, but it sounds real nice. You want nothing but the best for your partner, so give them the best quality water. For the cleanest, purest, best tasting water, treat your guy or gal to the K5 drinking water system by Kinetico. It's not just filtered water, it's reverse osmosis. Forget diamonds. If you want to show your loved one you really care, treat their derriere to the luxury Numi toilet by Kohler. The Numi has a built-in bidet with adjustable water temperature, spray, and pressure. So fresh, so clean. With the Numi, you'll always be in the mood with its ambient lighting and Bluetooth-enabled speakers. You'll enjoy your bathroom time so much, you'll be compelled to install glass walls so you can share the experience with the world. Make a grand gesture this Valentine's Day and call us to help show your loved one you care. Don't just take it to the next level. Take it out of this world.
Right in a kisser.